Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big, kind of the big event that's happened recently, as of the recording of this video, over the past 4 hours, you can see volume has surged. Price made a huge move up, so much so that the price was actually able to temporarily get up above that level of resistance at 7,000, which I've talked about in past videos. So that'll definitely be the first question that you need to ask yourself, and I'm actually a little jealous of those of you that are going to be watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, because you're going to have a much better idea. But question number one becomes, where is the price currently at relative to 7,000? Has the price returned back up above it, or is the price still down below it? Now, if the price is up above it, then that's a very, straightforward way to approach it from a common sense, gut instinct perspective, meaning the further the price is up above 7,000 when you're watching this, that's just the more bullish and bullish the actual situation has become. So, if the price is up here at, 7,200, don't get me wrong, that's definitely a great situation. If you're saying, well, Clay, no, it's up at like 8,000 right now. Well, like I said, gut instincts, common sense, that's just telling you that it's that much more of a truly, big breakout. But as of the recording, like I said, the price was not able to stay above the 7,000 mark. So if you are answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually still down below 7,000, the next immediate question would be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 6230, which is that level of support I've talked about before? And I'd be pretty shocked if you're answering the question that the price is down below there. But if it was, then again, that goes back to the whole common sense gut instincts, meaning, well, how far down below is it? And the further down below the price is from 62.30, that's just the more bearish the situation is. And then finally, a very real possibility is maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is down below 7,000, but it's still up above the 62.30 mark. At that point, one word could be used to summarize that price movement, and that would just simply be consolidation. The price is still continuing to try to consolidate, and that's not a bullish sign, that's not a bearish sign, that's just an overall kind of market, point of view, because nothing can go straight up, nothing's going to go straight down. So use those levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll do the best to keep this video relevant until I come back and update this on Friday afternoon. But yeah, as of right now, big dynamic is, can the price get back above 7,000 and build upon that breakout? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.